We are all aware of the opioid crisis in our country, and many people now want to control pain without taking opioids and prevent a problem before it starts. Joining us with more is Nancy Weber, physical therapy assistant at Integrity Physical Therapy in Northfield. Nancy, it's a sad story. We've all heard it. A young athlete gets injured, they're prescribed opioids, and then they get addicted, and it's just terrible for them, for their family. It's a nightmare.
Yes.
What can PT do to help?
Robin, it is sad. It has reached epidemic levels. What we would like to do is get patients in here as soon as possible to even prevent starting opioids. The earlier you get into PT, the better your long-term recovery is. There have been several recent studies that have shown that earlier initiation of physical therapy does prevent long-term opioid use.
And many people feel they're in pain and they don't want to move, but that's probably the opposite you should do.
Correct. We need to get you moving as soon as possible.
And what types of techniques do you use?
We will do some passive modalities, heat. We also are very hands-on here. Massage, soft tissue mobilizations, myofascial decompression, which is also known as cupping.
Mm-hmm. Blood restriction therapy?
Yes, correct.
You have a lot of different ways to help people and hopefully prevent this problem before it starts,
absolutely.
because it is an epidemic in our country, and we do have to all be aware of it. And if there's any way to prevent pain before we have to take any kind of medication, all the better.
Yes,
so it's great to know physical therapy is there to do it. And what's wonderful about it, in New Jersey, we do not need a prescription.
Yes, but I don't think a lot of people are aware. This state is now direct access, saves you time and money. You can get into PT earlier. You don't have to go to a specialist and get a prescription. You can come right into PT.
Great to know. Thanks so much. Nancy Weber of Integrity Physical Therapy in Northfield and many locations throughout our area. I'm Robin Stoloff, and you're living well.